So let's start with the pharynx of horse. So the pharynx of horse is comparatively longer and narrower compared to the other species, and superiorly it is related to the guttural pouches. So what are guttural pouches? So this structure, guttural pouches, are very important. This structure is important because it is associated with certain diseases, sometimes pus filled in the guttural pouch, and that will cause the ultimate issue with horses. So esophagus opening is narrow in case of horse, and the posterior area are larger. These are some differences. Now let's talk about the guttular pouch in detail. So what are these guttular pouch? These are the pair of large mucus sac, right? So as you can see, these are the sac, and these are large, and they are situated on either side of the midline of the above the pharynx. So this is the pharynx, as you can see, this area, and you can see these are present above the pharynx, right? You can also appreciate the guttular pouch in this. So these guttular pouches, this yellow area, is present above the pharynx, and they are found only and only in equines. Remember this thing, that guttular pouches are only present in equines, not in other species. And if we talk about the epithelium, it is coated with ciliated epithelium, right? And it have a capacity of 300 cc. So these are some information about the guttular pouch, and you have to remember this because this is important as of pathology portion also. So you can also appreciate guttular pouch in this. So this is guttular pouch. Above this guttular pouch we have brain, and cranially to the brain we have the frontal sinus, we have the nasal cavity, we have the sphenopalatine sinus, and below this guttular pouch you can appreciate the pharynx. In pharynx we have the nasopharynx, we have the oropharynx, and here the corniculate cartilage, and this is esophagus. Okay, so this is the structure. Now let's talk about the pharynx of dog. There is nothing much to discuss in the pharynx of dog. Only the esophageal opening is small in case of dog. Only the esophageal opening is small, and it will also vary according to the breed, because we have the dolichocephalic breed, we have the brachycephalic breed, so it will differ according to the breed. Okay, now let's talk about the pig. In case of pig, it is comparatively narrow and small, and the cavity of pharynx reach up to the second cervical vertebrae. This is important, that the cavity of pharynx reach up to the second cervical vertebrae. Okay, so this is important. And now let's talk about the rabbit. So in case of rabbit, the pharynx, the esophagus is narrow and elongated, obviously, and oropharynx is extensive in case of rabbit. Now fowl is interesting in this case, because in case of fowl there is something absent. Soft palate. Soft palate is absent in case of fowl, so this is important. And the roof present a median infundibular slit. So this is the median infundibular slit. Median infundibular slit. This is also only present in case of the poultry, and it is common opening for the left and right auditory tubes. So this is peculiar in case of poultry, that soft palate is absent and median infundibular slit is present in case of poultry. So this is all about the species difference in pharynx. Thanks for watching. If you like, then please press the thumbs up and subscribe to Vet Study.